composing and painting. Now I am older one and going to practicing in those habits. So here I am honored to join your program, our program, in this open mic contest. I am honored. Congratulations all the competent and all the organizers. Thank you. May I start my?
Yes, please start your program.
Yes, I will be in Bengali in my language.
Most welcome. শুরু করুন।
Now my poem. যখন তুমি ঐকতানে, যখন তুমি বাইতে থাকো শঙ্খচিলের ঈর্ষা কলুষ জলে, বাইতে থাকো অভয় তরি তুমি, ঠায় যে পিছে চটুল তরঙ্গেরা, অবগাহনে যখন নাইতে থাকো বিজ্ঞাপন উদলা দেখবে বলে, নাভির নিচে নির্জলা মরুভূমি, হয়নি তরির সাগর থেকে ফেরা, আবদারে যখন চাইতে থাকো অহেতুক বাড়তি লোভের ফলে, প্রশ্রয়ে বারে চাহিদার দুষ্টুমি, বিপন্নতায় অভিশাপ দিয়ে ঘেরা, হৃদয় নিংড়ে যখন গাইতে থাকো ঐকতানে যদি নন্দিত সকলে, টাপুর টুপুর আহ্লাদি মৌসুমী, মুগ্ধতা বোধ সম্ভাবনার সেরা। নমস্কার।
ভেরি নাইস, খুব ভালো হয়েছে, ভীষণ সুন্দর। একটু যদি ইংলিশে একটু এক্সপ্লেন করেন যাতে আমাদের যারা বাংলা বোঝেন না তারা এটার একটুখানি এটা যেতে পারে।
I am going to tell that it is personified. It is personified. Actually, that is a sailing process where the clouds sailing in the sky through the sunrise, through the sunset. These clouds are sailing. Now, a lady, a nice girl, is sailing in the river to going to the sea. Now he is as if he is bathing in the open air, and all the nowadays the advertisement, the anything, the mass media going to stop all these nice tender feelings. Then some commodity habit, some pies, some money, all it losses, all it lost all the tender programs, tender feelings, and at last when we are always, all we are meeting, all we are assembling, all we are united, then a nice day and nice start is opened, and this is my final saying and in the poem.
Very nice. So actually it is the new beginning which you are talking about. Very nice, fantastic. Please mute yourself so that we can listen to others. Please mute yourself. Mr. S.K. Nath. Mr. S.K. Nath. Please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Mr. Shapun Kumar Basu. Mr. Shapun Kumar Nath from Kolkata.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Please tell us something about yourself.
Ma'am, actually, I am a teacher of English language of a higher secondary school in Kolkata, but I am fond of writing both Bengali and English poems. My 2 English poetry books have already been published. one from Orange Publication, and one from Kotakati Publication from Kolkata. Actually, I take interest in writing English and Bengali both poems. At the same time, by the October, my two Bengali poetry books is going to be published. And I am very much honored to be here with you. And when I came to know that you are organizing this type of my contest program, I have become overwhelmed, and I'm very much happy to be here with you. And
Yeah.
today, I'm very much happy that I have come and I have got the chance to recite my poem. Basically, I take interest mostly in writing English poems, but as I'm a Bengali person, I'm a Bengali by race, I also write Bengali poems.
We will listen both from you tonight.
Yeah, I also write, ma'am, stories, also novel. I started a novel that will be published by the month of November. And actually, I am fond of writing different type of stories, cocktails, and also ghostly stories.
My God, it's very nice.
And I have also participated in different TV channels regarding the poems of English and what type of English poems are written in Kolkata, in different districts of West Bengal. I have participated in different channels, mainstream news, 24 hours TV, and also I am very much happy that you have organized this type of my contest program, and I am very happy to be here with you.
Most welcome. Please start your recitation.
Ma'am, I have written a poem, I composed a poem. The title, Poem I Cannot Write. Poem I Cannot Write. Poem I Cannot Write. Is it a collection of words singing obscure? Then I cannot write. Mind playing in dark and light. Poem comes poignant, swallowing taste of moonlit, light singing as if withered lips. Far away, consolation only provoking, words reveal, unobeying social grammar, breaking all caste wounds, mind rhythm, content happiness of love. Poem evokes knowing, no ABCD. Poem I cannot write. Poem a damsel with no reality, seeking for words, keeping witness permanent, emerges poetry from rebel mind, indulging only in me. Ignoring all arrows surrounding, I discovered myself before mirror, explain mind all within, fruitless efforts, smelling of poetry, poem I cannot write. Thank you, ma'am.
Smelling of poetry I cannot write. Very well said. Very well said. Big hands for him. Yes. Now we will move on to few ladies. Lipika, are you there? Lipika, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So you are new in our organization this time. So let's hear from you. Tell us something about yourself.
ওকে ম্যাম সবাইকে নমস্কার, প্রণাম, জয় গুরু সবাইকে। আমি প্রথমে দু লাইন বাংলায় বলি। প্রথম কথা, নিজেকে নিজের আমি কে সেটা বলতে গেলে প্রথমে আমার মনে হয় আমি একজন ভালো মানুষ। এটাই হচ্ছে প্রথম কথা। আমার আর কিছু পরিচয় দিতে চাই না, কিন্তু যেহেতু সবাই এখানে একটা কম্পিটিশনের মতো হচ্ছে, সেই জন্য আমি ছোট্ট করে বলি আমি কবিতা লিখতে ভালোবাসি। ফার্স্টলি, I am a good woman. I would like to introduce myself that I am a good woman. I like to write poem. I am an assistant professor of Government College of Art and Craft, and I am an artist. This is enough for me.
If you can share some of your artwork, be ready with it, and I will allow you to share your screen, and we would like to see your artwork too. First, listen from you, your recitation, please.
Okay, ma'am. আমি বাংলায় লিখি। আমি পরে ছোট্ট করে বলে দেবো যারা যারা বাংলায় বুঝতে পারেন না তাদের জন্য। আমার কবিতার নাম, ম্যাম ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am?
Of course. Recite.
হ্যাঁ, ওকে। আমার কবিতার নাম তুষ্টি। তুমি মানুষ, তুমি একজন দুর্বল মনোভাবাপন্ন ভালো মানুষ। তুমি তো ভালোভাবে বাঁচতে চাও, তবুও তুমি যদি কখনো অন্যের দেওয়া আঘাতে জর্জরিত হয়ে মানসিকভাবে বাকরুদ্ধ হয়ে মূর্ছিত হয়ে পড়ো, তাকে উল্টে আঘাত না করে ঈশ্বরের কাছে নত জানু হয়ে সে আঘাত বহন করার সহ্য ক্ষমতাটুকু প্রার্থনা করো। তুমি মানুষ, তুমি একজন সুমনের অধিকারী সম্পন্ন ভালো মানুষ। তুমি তো শান্তিতে থাকতে চাও, তবুও তুমি যদি কখনো মিষ্টভাষী বিশ্বাসের মুখোশধারী মানুষের কাছে অপ্রত্যাশিতভাবে বারংবার ঠকতে থাকো, তাকে উল্টে না ঠকিয়ে সেই অবিশ্বাসযোগ্য মানুষটির সাথে দূরত্বের ব্যবধান বাড়িয়ে দিয়ে তোমার মনটাকে ভালো রেখো। তুমি মানুষ, তুমি একজন গভীর মননশীলতায় পরিপূর্ণ ভালো মানুষ। তুমি তো সফলভাবে বাঁচতে চাও, তবুও তুমি যদি কখনো জীবনের পরীক্ষায় অকৃতকার্য হয়ে নিজেকে শেষ করে ফেলার সিদ্ধান্ত নাও, আত্মঘাতী না হয়ে সামনে কৃতকার্য হওয়ার আশায় নিজেকে আত্মবিশ্বাসী করার জন্য উদ্যোগী হও। তুমি মানুষ, তুমি একজন অনুভূতিপ্রবণ প্রবল ভালো মানুষ। তুমি তো বিশুদ্ধ ভালোবাসা ভরা জীবন চাও, তবুও তুমি যদি কখনো জীবনের অনাদর অবহেলায় ভেঙে চুরমার হয়ে পড়ো, দোষ দিও না কাউকে, শুধু তোমার ভাঙা মনকে নতুন ভালোবাসা দিয়ে জোড়া লাগানোর চেষ্টা করো। তুমি মানুষ, প্রকৃত অর্থে তুমি একজন সর্বাঙ্গীন ভালো মানুষ। তবুও তোমার জীবনের নানা অধ্যায়ের প্রতি পদে নিশ্চিত হার জেনেও আশাবাদী মনোভাব মনে জাগাও। নিজের হেরে যাওয়া মনকে সান্ত্বনা দিতে দৃঢ় প্রত্যয়ের সাথে নিঃসংশয় হয়ে আত্মতুষ্টির স্বার্থে ধ্যানে মগ্ন হও। জীবনের ব্যর্থ অধ্যায়গুলো মুছে ফেলে সফল অধ্যায়ের সূচনায় অগ্রণী হও। আর নিজেকে ভালোবেসে নিজেই জয়ী হও। নমস্কার।
নিজেকে ভালোবেসে নিজেই জয়ী হও, এই দুটো লাইনেই পুরো কথাটাই এসে গেল। পুরো সবকিছু কবিতার মানেটাই এই দুটো লাইনের মধ্যেই রয়ে গেল। ভেরি নাইস। আপনি একটু ইংলিশে বুঝিয়ে দিন।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, আমি জাস্ট চেষ্টা করছি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি my gist of the poem is you are a good human being. You are face various problem in your life, but my lines are gave you different positive thought. Throughout my positive lines, my lines can rescue them who are facing different types of problem.
Very
Thank you,
nice.
ma'am.
Fantastic. Be ready with your artwork. Once you are ready, just tell us so that we can allow you to share your screen.
ম্যাম একটু সময় যে নিচ্ছি, দেখছি আমার মোবাইলে আছে কিনা।
একটু বাকিদের থেকে শুনে নি।
ঠিক আছে।
Dr. Srilata, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. I am very fine. Thank you very much, and hope you are all doing well.
We heard
All the
from you
best.
last time too. So this time we are eager to hear from you again. So what you are
Okay.
reciting today?
The title of my poem is Confidence. So confidence comes to a person only when he has positive vibes and positive thoughts. So we will see how confidence brings a person up from a mire of difficulties. And before I start my poem, let me introduce myself, a few words about me. I'm a professor of English, working in an engineering college in Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. I train students for campus selections. I'm a soft skills and language trainer. So for second and third years also, we go for pre-placement training, and for final year, we assist the students in getting placed. So this is what I am, and I am 26. I have 26 years of experience in this, and by God's grace, I am blessed to write poems in Telugu, my mother tongue, as well as English. And in English, I have good number of poems published in various reputed anthologies. And Telugu, I have a dozen poems as of now, where I'm trying to focus more and bring about good number of poems. That's about me. And let me start my poem. The title is Confidence. A strong will to win weakens any perilous barrier. A firm fervor to fight conquers many a warrior. A cool mind to thrive determines all hesitations. A swim against the tide alerts all destinations. A swim against the tide alters all destinations. Assured zeal soars high to rule optimistic skies. Wings of resilient faith steer to idealistic rise. The boundaries of grief will be charily crossed. The frontiers of glee will be cheerfully glossed. The frontiers of glee will be cheerfully glossed. Sneaky actions lead to fluttering fortunes. Adversities warn and preach caring cautions. Vision as mission and words as swords enlist entire strength amasses in the potent firm fist. A great fall challenges many mighty guts. Several thorny miles the very first step cuts. Agonizing sorrows flee saluting a gentle smile. Patience and tolerance make hostility frail. Destiny blesses those who revive from gutters. Success surely adorns such heroic go-getters. Certainty and certitude grant God's genial grace. Composure and serenity cheer conviction's pace. Triumph endorses those who traverse time's test. Blesses the assured souls with confidence best. Triumph endorses those who traverse time's test. Blesses the assured souls with confidence best. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Great similes, my God. Hats off to you. Lovely.
Thank you very much.
Very
Thank you.
nice, very nice.
Thank you.
Just keep one ready with you. Once again, we will come back to you.
Thank you. Sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
be there. Now we'll move on to Ritvik Mukherjee. Yes, Ritvik, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please tell something about you.
Ma'am, it's like everyone is so experienced and I mean like so, how what to say, I'm so knowledgeable over here. I don't think I have anything more to say. I would like
No,
straight
it's
away
not
to my
like that.
poetry.
We all
Yeah.
are knowledgeable in our own way.
Yes, ma'am, I didn't get you.
We all are knowledgeable in our own way.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, yeah, I mean, this is like one of those times in my life I am not only feeling the youngest over here, but also the smallest. I mean, I'm like admitting it, like
yeah,
beforehand.
As far as talent is concerned, nobody is small.
Yes, that's true. So it's like my name is Ritik Mukherjee and I'm a content writer, and along with is like I look investments. So I mean, like
You
behind
do
me,
content
like,
writing, right? You said?
yes, ma'am, yes,
That's
ma'am.
great. That's a great tough job.
Yeah, actually. So it's like I also write poetry and I also do music. So okay, this is the one point that I want to read it out. It's a very small one. My character has gone to eat grass, and my soulmate has shot me right through the heart. So tell me, what should I do now? Tell me, what should I do? Well, you can cut me into many halves, but the more you cut, more will be the buts, while you just see them numbers go flowing through your hands. I have never walked alone these streets of life. Only time knows what flows through you if love is your only ally. My dear beloved lady, in deep sleep in the dreams of night, I whisper in your ears a sweet, crispy line. No matter what happens, in this terrible night, all is beautiful if you look up to the sky. There are stars and there is moon, man, but if your sky is dark still, don't worry, I'm coming soon. Yes, ma'am, that's all.
Lovely modulation and very lovely voice.
Something good.
Thanks for him. Yeah, lovely. We would like to listen to you singing too. You
Okay,
said
ma'am, okay.
you said so we'll get back to you very soon.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
let's move on to Sujata. Yes, are you there? Sujata, can you hear me? Sujata, are you there? Can you hear me? Please unmute yourself. Dr. Janatha, are you there? Saikat Kumar Basu, are you there? Please unmute yourself. Sujata, are you there? Then please unmute yourself. Manjula Asthana, are you there? Ma'am Manjula Asthana, are you there? Then please unmute yourself. Pallavi, I think she is traveling today. Pallavi, are you there? I'm still calling your name. Pallavi, are you there? No, okay, we'll go back to Lipika. Lipika, are you ready with your artwork?
Sir, actually, 2 minutes lagde, 2 minutes more.
Achha, okay, fine. Yes, we'll go to Mr. S.K. Nath again, once again. Please unmute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, would like to hear one more poem from you. Is it ready?
Yes, ma'am. The title of the poem is Love Pipin. Love Pipin. In a glimpse of spell, love peeped my mind door, as if in silence at the restless mind. Silence, an angel messenger, soothing my all agony, swimming in my vein. Hours after hours, winking at pouring rain, hope, showering the sunbeam, in darkness, mind core echoing. A layer of hidden aspirations, never it be hallucinations, sailing my within anguished, a relief from sigh, lasting in a glimpse of spell. Love drove away me, hope glides by, unable to feel what my sin, new born dewdrop, dries up, hurry up, at bent of rising sun. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice. Lovely poem. Srilatha? Ma'am Srilatha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I have a
please.
poem. Yeah, the title of this poem is God Forgotten. So we'll see why God forgot his own creation, his dearest creation. Surely reposed in the safest of the shells, under the stable watch, away from all else, fed nutritious food beyond many a bother, ungrateful you were, forgot your mother. Ignorance wiped with a soft vigilant hand, mistakes rectified by the kind, loving wand, knowledge upgraded to suit many a feature, big-headed you were, forgot your teacher. Your love embraced and adoringly responded. Life was made a boon as sorrows absconded. Kids wisely raised, made a home out of house, engrossed in hectic life, forgot your spouse. Chosen people given to you prudently by him in quotes, should feel grateful to sing him, at least a hymn. Never did you worship nor consider his bond, encircled in shackles of life, forgot to respond. Cut all the links and moved away from the Lord. Casual you were, ignored to acknowledge God. Dearest of all his creation, you were the fortunate, but fallen in his eye, you were the most unfortunate. So this is about the poem God Forgotten and why God forgot us. This
Lovely
is the
hard
reason.
practical fact of life.
Yeah.
ম্যাম আমি
হ্যাঁ, মিস্টার প্রদীপ চক্রবর্তী আপনার থেকে শুনবো এবার। মিউট হয়ে গেছে, প্লিজ আনমিউট। Video is off and it is muted. Please switch on both your mic and your camera. Hello, are you there? I think some technical issues. He came back again. Ritwik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am. I'm just selecting one of my poems to read things. So I mean, like, I would like to pass the mic to someone right now.
Okay. Lipika, are you there? Dr. Janatha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Oh yes, Lipika, would like to see some of your artwork, please.
Okay, ma'am.
হ্যালো
হ্যাঁ, একটু লিপিকার আর্টওয়ার্ক গুলো দেখে নি, তারপরে আপনার থেকে শুনছি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Ma'am, how can I share this? The share screen is off.
You just click on the share screen option.
Share screen.
Yes. Yes, we can see now.
These are all my spiritual series, spiritual painting series.
Lovely.
This is Ma Durga. Title of the painting is Ma, only Ma.
Right.
This is acrylic on canvas.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, would like to see more.
About my painting.
Yes, you scroll all the paintings. I saw many of them, but you are showing only one.
Okay. Actually, this is not complete now. This is one half part is Lord Buddha and another part is Lord Shiva.
Yes, I can see the sun.
This painting is also acrylic on canvas.
Very nice. Very nice. You are in art department, you said so, right?
Yes.
This is Ma Kali.
Yes. Not Ma Kali. This Ma Durga. This is
Okay.
Ma Durga also.
Yes. Lovely, lovely. Wonderful paintings, Deepika.
Thank you.
Keep doing your good work.
Thank you,
Thanks
ma'am.
for sharing your screen.
This is wash painting. It's a Indian style wash painting.
Lovely, lovely. Well done. Very nice.
And the another is waiting.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Now we will go back to
Thank
Mr.
you, ma'am.
Pradeep. Mr. Pradeep, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself. Mr. Pradeep, please unmute yourself.
হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ,
Do you
এবার
hear
আপনার
me?
কবিতাটা আরেকবার একটা কবিতা শোনান।
আপনি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন আমাকে?
হ্যাঁ, শুনতে
Do you
পাচ্ছি,
hear me?
এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা, আমার কবিতা হচ্ছে ভুলিনি ভুলবো না, শত বারণেও ভুলিনি ভুলি না তোকে, স্বপ্ন দেখি না কোনো কালো অভিশাপে, বিজলি সুখেও কাঁদি জোনাকির শোকে, জামরঙা মন কেন যে গভীর মনস্তাপে, দেখেছি যুগলে পিঙ্গল বুলবুলি, ভালোবাসার খুনসুটি আমার বারান্দাতে, নাড়াচাড়া করি অভ্যস্ত ভুলগুলি, কি করে ভুলি ভিক্ষার ফ্যান ভাতে, আমার সঙ্গ আমার অপেক্ষা দামি, পিছনে শ্রীমুখ সামনে মরুর পদ্ম, প্রশ্ন ও তালাশ নিরেট পাগলামি, একলা চলো অবিচল অনবদ্য, আঁকড়ে ধরেছি ভুলতে চাই না তোকে, আকাশে ধোঁয়াশা বাতাসে বারুদ গন্ধ, হেরো বলে আর দুও দিক না মন্দ লোকে, কবিতা হাঁটলে গণজোয়ারের ছন্দ।
খুব ভালো। Very nice. Well said. Now we will move on to Ritvik. Yes, Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
you would like to let us know. Apart
Yes,
from
ma'am.
your singing, any other written work, or you will go to singing first?
No, ma'am. It's like I am planning to read one poem.
Okay, please.
This one is called Call My Mom. Okay. So, call my mom, I have a situation. I am hard, running hard to redeem my rewards. I'm in debt. They charge 40, but I charge 4. Percentage of this world is broken. And I love tagging random links on the bricks. No piece of art can speak meaning. No science of language can explain my perception, like how well is the sleep received by a numb brain that is silent forever. That pain in the cerebellum is still persistent. The gray matter is shifting sides, and my vision is altered. I am fed up of first person singulars. I am done with the shallow mindset that to me I matter the most. But this matter is a strange identity, because an object might be just a number. Listen carefully. An object might be just a number, but a matter definitely has a purpose. And we together make one. Object or matter, now that matters. Yes, ma'am.
Well said. To me, is mattered the most. Very well written. Very well written. Very good flow of words, modulation, and keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Saikat Kumar Bashu, are you there? Mr. Shoikat, are you there? Shubho Sarkar, Mr. Shubho Sarkar, are you there? Manjula Asthana ma'am, are you there? Dr. Janatha, are you there? Pallavi Kiran, are you there? Mr. Shaikat Kumar Basu, Vasu, are you there? Dr. Janaka, are you there? Anybody from the audience would like to recite? Most welcome. Yes, anybody from the audience would like to recite? All right, we will go to Ritvik. Ritvik would like to hear a song from you. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. It's like actually I'm not ready with my songs as of now. Okay, so
Just 2 lines. You have a beautiful voice. I know you can sing.
okay, fine. I'm like singing one of my songs, you know. This is
Yes.
a small one. I mean, this is an intro. Actually, we call it an intro coda.
Welcome.
In these recent times, I say, we are having static brains, living life on biased rules, asking not what's bad or good. We need to show affection, to be maritime sailors on the ferry of God, on the ferry of God. We are waiting to unfold secret bits of making love. All we need, the hearts be touched. All we need, the hearts be touched. That's all.
Very nice. And it will be lovely with the guitar. Lovely. Very well written. You wrote it by yourself, I
Yes,
hope.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's already released in
Right.
iTunes and
Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Now I'll go to Mr. S.K. Nath once again. Yes, Mr. S.K. Nath. Please unmute yourself.
Am I audible now?
Yes. Would like to hear one more from you.
Okay. The title of the poem, Ardly Deity. My mom, first friend of myself, acquaintance with the art, holding heart's hand, an organism inside her. Bearing one less than 10 months, gave birth to Jason, nurtured, grown. A sound, stout embodiment, guided whence misled go. Showered pity fell, I ought to, contented, needed as when. Symbol of mystery, fallen sick, fragile, starved with blank stomach, all mine vices purged. Slight touch of earthly divinity, let life simpler. Haunts me ever her smile gesture. Words ends to scarcity, explain the limitless area, sprinkling love, no limit, should mine all hearts. Thank you, ma'am.
Our judges are confused. They are saying whom to give number 1. All are number 1.
Thank you.
Very beautiful evening tonight that we are blessed with so many talented souls. Lovely evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot
ma'am.
for joining us. Yes, Srilatha. I love your words. I love your choice of words, and I love your poem.
Thank you, ma'am. Shall I read
One more
poem?
for us.
Yeah. The title of this poem is My Mom's Sari. So let me tell you how and why I like this sari. Saffron, the color of spirituality and sacrifice, shone on my mom's skin in supreme elegance. Any pattern and texture in that dazzling shade caught the viewer's vision sharply like a blade. My mom thrilled at the effortless appreciation, glanced at us with pride backed satisfaction. She left for the God's abode as a fresh flower to adorn and adore the Lord's feet as a bower. She left for the God's abode as a fresh flower to adorn and adore the Lord's feet as a bower. Plentiful memories enclosed us entirely forever, To come out of the dire grievous fate, however, my choicest choice was that soft saffron saree. Her majesty and dignity I fondly wished to carry, multiplied my venerable look whenever I draped, putting me in her shoes and all others at a gate, felt the warmth and gentleness of her kind touch, besides her scented fragrance incredibly much. Tattered and torn, now the saree makes me sad, made it my bedspread, reluctant though, but glad. When the uninvited guest makes me eternally calm, I wish to be clad in that saree to reach my mom. That's all.
Lovely,
Thank you.
lovely, lovely. It's so touching. It's so touching that we
Yes.
everyone as a girl child, everyone of feel the same feeling. I hope.
Yes, yes. Actually, this poem was given a Best Poem Award in one of the contests. So
Okay.
I really wish to read it and spread this to
It's a
as many
beautiful
boys
one.
as
It's a lovely
possible.
one. Having
Yeah,
such a natural, such a naive feeling that reveal that it's always true. It's so
yes.
true that it's come from the heart. So
Yeah.
touching.
Thank
I love it.
thank you. Very much. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Welcome. Most welcome. Lipika, are you ready with one of your poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
ম্যাম আমার নেক্সট কবিতার নাম মুক্তি। মুক্তি ইংলিশে করলে দাঁড়ায় ফ্রিডম। তুমি মানুষ তাই পৃথিবীতে মানুষ হিসেবে জন্ম নিয়েছ যখন, জীবনটাকে সার্থকতার আনন্দে ভরিয়ে দাও। তোমার সাথে অতীতে ঘটা খারাপ সব কিছু দুমড়ে মুচড়ে আস্তা করে ফেলে দাও। কে বলে শত চেষ্টা করলেও স্মৃতি মোছা যায় না? মনের অন্তঃস্থল থেকে মনকে আদেশ দাও। জীবন যুদ্ধে হেরে না গিয়ে যে পৃষ্ঠায় লেখা ছিল তোমার মনের যন্ত্রণার কথা, তাকে না মুছে একেবারে ছিঁড়ে ফেলে দাও। তুমি মানুষ তাই পৃথিবীতে মানুষ হিসেবে জন্ম নিয়েছ যখন, জীবনটাকে শান্তির চাদরে জড়িয়ে থাকতে দাও। তুমি মানসিক অথবা শারীরিক যন্ত্রণায় দিনের পর দিন সংসারে নিপীড়িত হলে সাহস করে সেই মনের ক্ষততে মলম লাগানোর জন্য তোমার মনকে উদ্যোগী হতে দাও। জীবন যুদ্ধে হেরে না গিয়ে সংসারের বিষাক্ত আগুনে দগ্ধ না হয়ে তোমার আত্মা দিয়ে জড়ানো মনটাকে ভালোবাসার মানুষকে খুঁজে নিতে দাও। তুমি মানুষ তাই পৃথিবীতে মানুষ হিসেবে জন্ম নিয়েছ যখন, জীবনটাকে শুদ্ধ নিঃশ্বাস নিতে দাও। ঝলসানো মন তো প্রকৃত সঙ্গী চায়, আর সে কোনো মিথ্যা প্ররোচনা চায় না। জীবনে মিথ্যা অঙ্গীকার করেছিল যে, তাকে সাগ্রহে মন থেকে চলে যেতে দাও। দেখবে তুমি আগের থেকে অনেক ভালো আছো। শরীরটাকে তর তাজা থাকতে দাও। জীবন যুদ্ধে হেরে না গিয়ে নতুন করে বাঁচার জীবন সঙ্গী পেলে তাকে তোমার মনে আপন করে থাকতে দাও। তুমি মানুষ তাই পৃথিবীতে মানুষ হিসেবে জন্ম নিয়েছ যখন, জীবনটাকে উজ্জ্বল হতে দাও। যে মানুষটার কারণে তুমি ধূসর হয়েছিলে তাকে মন থেকে ঝেড়ে ফেলে দাও। হয়তো অনেক দিন তোমার মনে রোদ লাগেনি, সাথে সাথে মনটাকে রোদ লাগতে দাও। তোমাকে পুরো মাত্রায় বর্ণহীন করে ফেলার আগে তোমার সুন্দর মনকে রঙিন হতে দাও। জীবন যুদ্ধে হেরে না গিয়ে সুন্দর পৃথিবীতে ভালোভাবে বাঁচো, আর তোমার মনকে ভালোভাবে বাঁচতে দাও। নমস্কার।
খুব ভালো, ভীষণ ভালো, মিষ্টি একটা কবিতা। লাস্ট বাট নট লিস্ট, যেতে যেতে আমরা ঋত্বিকের কাছে আরেকটা শুনে নেব। ঋত্বিক, প্লিজ।
Yes, ma'am. Okay. This one is এটা একটুখানি বিজ্ঞান নিয়ে পড়ে, হ্যাঁ, মানে বিশেষ করে কোয়ান্টাম ফিজিক্স। ওকে, so it's like I'm starting. Hovering above mountain tops is the trembling image of God. Now anyone can very well say, is it the shape of a human? Is it like us? Now this us in apostrophe along with anyone in apostrophe can belong to any race, species, or even objects. But it is the mountaintops we said, didn't we? Well, is it even necessary to say anything more? It's already understood. But what is it that's understood? Is it that all have their own gods, or is it that all is God? Well, it depends on whether or not you believe in God. But your believing or not believing in God is governed by a continuous chain of a binary series that goes 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Your connections cut, man. Stick on to only one, goddamn it. Shall I introduce electricity? A flow of current gets passed to and fro from one point to another. The speed of it is the speed of thought. By the time you think, what you think is thought. However, that doesn't mean you can dream of becoming a virgin and you can become so. And what's good in being a virgin if you can never taste the pulsating beat of current? The connection should be established. We need to refer to the changes that's taking place in this space. It's important to know what is changing. It's important to feel what is flowing inside us, among materials and atoms, and between two or more distinct bodies in either a messed up conventional act of living or an orgy. Now that's very relevant to what direction is this poetry going. We started off with an embryo, then talked about the shape of God, then about everything and all, the flow of current, the speed of electricity, then the change of the biological self and the attraction of physical particles. But this is when comes the phase of insertion and the formation of a connection, and a wonderful, intelligent product is born to be sold. Mothers, trust your kids and keep them close. Thank you.
Very true. Trust your kids. We like to do.
And keep them
Lovely,
close,
lovely.
yeah. I mean, like, keep them close.
Lovely. Well done. So today we are just forced to close the show. I'm not willing to, because I would like to carry on it a little longer, but due to some time constraints, we have to end it. So it's a beautiful evening for you all, and because of you all. So I would like to hear from you in our another coming contest, and we keep on having this kind of contest and events, and which you will be notified. Okay, so keep in touch and be in touch and keep doing your good work. So with a note of thanks to you all, I would like to end. The result will be declared in the group and it will be posted to you. You will be notified. So be in touch and good luck to you all. Goodbye. See you all. Thank you.